Hey everyone, Marcy here in the Wild Foods Kitchen. I am so excited because today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite recipes using our Cocoatropic, and that is going to be Cocoatropic Keto Power Balls. We're gonna do something that's really easy. It's no bake. You just roll them up, put them on a pan, and the idea of power balls is that it's nutritional and can sustain you throughout the day, kind of like a really healthy, low-carb snack for you keto people out there. And in case you guys don't know already, our Cocoatropic is one of our best sellers. And that's because it's delicious and it's truly nutritious. I hate that saying because it's so cliche, but it's true. So our Cocoatropic has Reishi, Chaga, turmeric, cocoa powder, and maca. And all of these are really good for you. Chaga and Reishi are mushrooms that are immune boosting and disease fighting. Turmeric is inflammation fighting. Maca is packed with antioxidants, and cocoa powder is also packed with antioxidants. And of course, it tastes good. It's what chocolate's made out of. You can't go wrong with cocoa powder. Also, really quick before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell for notifications. You guys won't want to miss all the exciting stuff we have coming. All right, so let's get started. So what you're gonna need is 2 cups of nut butter. I chose crunchy almond butter. You're gonna need a cup of cocoa nibs, of course, Wild Foods brand, and I actually did a mixture of our sweet nibs and raw nibs. So our sweet nibs is lightly sweetened with coconut sugar, and our raw nibs are just cocoa nibs on their own without any sort of sweetener. Here at Wild Foods, we like to promote low sugar intake, so that's why I did half and half. But you guys can go full sweet nibs or raw nibs if you want. And we did about 2 tablespoons of our Cocoatropic mix and about 2 tablespoons of sweetener of your choice. We used Monkfruit because Monkfruit is very keto friendly. It's 0 carbs. And then we did 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour. So first you're gonna get a tray, set it aside, make sure it's clean. Then you're gonna get a mixing bowl or a bowl. You're gonna combine all of the ingredients in the bowl, and don't be afraid to get a little messy, guys. That's what's fun about cooking, is it's not perfect, it's fun, and it's tasty. So first I'm gonna put the almond butter in the bowl. This is about 2 cups, so we actually used the entire almond butter jar. Next, you're gonna combine your 3/4 cup of coconut flour. Looks like a snow-covered almond ball. Next, you're going to add the #1 ingredient, and that is Cocoatropic. What I love about Cocoatropic, guys, is that it is delicious, but it's so healthy for you. So it's like drinking hot chocolate, but without all the sugar, and you're just doing good things for your body when you drink it. So I actually forgot to mention this, but really quick side note, this is our wild vanilla powder, and I'm just going to do a little pinch of that and add it, and you're just gonna do a little sprinkle like Salt Bae. Not as good as Salt Bae, but I'm working on it. And then you're going to get your sweetener of your choice. Remember, low carb, keto, that's what we're here for, guys. And you're gonna pour it all in. Last but not least are sweetened, half unsweetened cocoa nibs. I'm gonna pour it in there. And now we begin the mixing process. I'm starting to mix this, and it's already getting kind of difficult because the batter is a little too thick and crumbly. So if you find that that's the case, you can always add some water to it. I'm just gonna do a little wave under the sink. I just did a little wave under the sink there. And we're gonna resume. So I ditched the spoon because my hands are clean and it's so much easier to just kind of mix things with your hands. So I'm just kind of gently kneading in the ingredients and combining them. Feels really good, actually. So now we've got our pre-rolled Keto Cocotropic Power Balls, and what you're gonna do next is you're just going to take it and roll it into a ball, place on a baking sheet, and continue doing that until the entire baking sheet is filled. Alright, so that was the last Powerball that I just rolled, and this is what it looks like on the finished product. Whoops. So what you're going to do now is you're just going to put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. So we have waited 10 minutes very patiently, and our Power Balls are ready now, so let's check them out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna try our Keto Cocotropic Power Balls and let you know what I think. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It tastes like, it tastes sinful, guys, but it's not. The Monkfruit adds the perfect amount of sweetness to this, and it's just, this is like one of my new favorite recipes, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that little video about how to make some delicious Keto Cocotropic Power Balls. It's super easy and delicious, tastes good, and is healthy. So like, what could go wrong? Special shout out to our new subscriber, Solita. Hey Solita, thanks for tuning in to Wild Foods. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.